Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable macros on your Microsoft Excel, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, one is that you already have the option of enabling or disabling macros in as a prompt here. But if you don't have that, don't worry. There's a better way. Click on File. Now go to Options on the list on the left hand side. Then go to Trust Center, the tab Trust Center. Now click on Trust Center Settings. Okay, so in Trust Center Settings, there's an option called Macro Settings. It would be at message bar by default. Go to Macro Settings, this tab, and once you're at this tab, you'll find the options to disable VBA macros without notifications, disable VBA macros with notification, and disable VBA macros, especially digitally signed macros. And then I don't recommend this one, and it is enable VBA macros. So if you wish to enable it, simply select this option, and if you wish to disable it, then you can select any of these three options, but I select this one, the one without notifications, and then click on OK. Please note that if you enable macros, it would make your system somewhat insecure to a lot of codes, so avoid that unless you really know what you're doing. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.